agus fáilte hiic na seansalaithe mas maiileh seans lácu blociad na seansalaithe is me se Hugh me gile ceada a ras a ríis libh le Eagrán galanta uair tá Sraith a ceair just mu hain, just na lads, just na besties go leis go géad gus féidir perla masca. Tá an heatwave hart ach tá rudí ag fáil níos seo an seo ar na seansalaithe, I think, I don't know, tá just carry gossip agus scandal a value agus just to stir the pot mar deartar ach gotí sin tá man seo mar is gra lemuid cairde lemuid cólaí ar dúspáir tá man seo le aine bhuiir aine tu tatú.
Go mai tá mé ionta tursa because hosí me I déanam mo chuid workouts rí an chatantro be James broúil duna éigen eile sa phodchraoladh I déanú roiint acliachta so tá mé caite ní bhac dhé leistí an déanú mojoics and tá mé spínta bhí arm glór funiu a chuirt le chéile leis an phodchraoladh seo dhéanam.
Agus tuid an broad lasad. Tháinig an yoga with Adrian fus ar an scéal.
Wis go gotíú me déanú sin, mar tis go mé mo grim cóneamhna a choú sa phobal ag lecture picnic, so tá mé go dream láidir bheith agam I dul
Well, I can't faoi a bheith bunneamh Thig art le bheith leis an duine seo tá man seo fásta le James a Fáilte James Jibber tatú.
Tá mi sé scrista tá probably tú sa seachtain is measa I riamh.
Oh, stop thee. Oh my God.
Yeah,
sorry.
So will be real. So but Thomas what over agus next thing you know you might just cycle my heart chuig go seach no me onach agus boom wal ma either wal ma clochbug nu wal ma portal melch oale agus absolutely flesk mo tire.
Oh my God.
Actually, vi se I lá on rim sé cecha donna agus hí tire. So luckily enough, vi man an tarnsteach go teach cean na lads in skimas pelum an áí sin agus ní wooden rim in Europe an bohor, so vi can rim cow. Ach yeah, so in your chin vi rim go agus tire brand new all. So rins aig de cha friggin tire ach dus could ma a gar anyways is that near you know ag goras is each other oh geez like gosh that would grow on tread on the tires in me is my fucking plan at a tire I shouldn't manage on tires oh geez yeah you could get the whole souls is my thank you Na Seansálaithe so yeah absolutely skills that I can come with your tire like
as well that's okay
I'm just tell you
ní ruscum gur hardly should herbe
yeah I was in yours brand will be read on it well was dat kid ze seanachas ní féidir a drochrod do waru
an drochrod de gar
no James agus am against Steve go heb níos massa na
so
costas mór dis an chatantse
yeah costas mór nach in idea nar hastom no vi me gur go amach le cúpaach de de seachtain nu nach chu an cluthe bhil tá cluthe AFL am ach bhí me gur go amach éis méall go bhíon cuid an séisiú agus dí ach níos ceaping nach mé a cúntas bancach cúpaach agus sinna méid actually is an ní bhé man an special amach chus Jamie and Gingers na that and all so
no cocktails for James
yeah ní bhé man am whiskey sours on it like country music sa going out mé
So much a carla like GoFundMe in this like so go mé James able to Cowboy James able to hodge whiskey sours of yeah.
Well near Harley Tashmer be dúsa ach bhí mo NCT go mané agus hepra ma char so tegum the cast James níl ma handbrake ag go burgart so actually we're doing sort dantra ní se go burg go héfachta so caiim me dola sin chorú. Bhí me mar géin le go airige de háil tá electric picnic a techt níl an traachtas go fád sin Hugh so inis be mu ggó I don't know jo sire ar coolla mar.
See seo foioi nach bím sa chomat sinna foioi nach bím sa chomat because sounds an méid an airgid.
Well in ide mór go mí se tomans no problems you know ní bhah man ná because it's saharing bhí ma híos Kilwanton ag train ar Amazon agus then bhí orm a sprinter ar as go gáile go Pier Stadium le cluthe so
literally Risha.
Yeah, like Forrest Gump style. We should just
Tá chumsa rely on public transport a lá sin I'd say níomh mas má fós. Okay agus sé go sem ra clia fancy geek cars a should agus sé san Luas agus chur
fancy. Sorry, James are in Luas. Sorry, Caiman Shaw play because James was couple shot going agus bhí sé an Luas agus never jarsa that it was like heather bhí land chart on the New York subway. Bhí se like shot dog, right? Shot class. I think you're third to the Falkland to my Chichim and Gradish and car shot. I think you're third to the function. I was like, Big Sean and Tram is mulle Sonora August.
I wish I could ask like.
Níl an lús dúirtas a fancy níl an lús fancy le but na cool an urchin scéalte le coppla seachtainiúil scoil daoine ag ionsaí daoine eile ar an lús.
Áine ní rátas ar a 424 a bhín scoil ó gáilí cearú. Tá lús fancy, alright.
Bhíoh my file an bus sin ag an obair take him the class.
Tá lús fancy go bring 424, right.
Oh yeah, okay.
Bhín a gcónaí daoine as a meor ar an bus sin chuinú tú ségan.
Agus somehow basic freaking conkies came a hain.
Bhí láháin go metúirt an monitor ras ag an obair a TG cethir agus meall gur hanse I Mosca allwar. Husí like na meiscóirí lig seo a kainflum and they're like, look at your one with the big Dell box. Like and I was like ní listen go go jail tenú joy me co like
self-conscious
lumhain agus a car meiscóir just a garcom like, look at your one, like who she thinks she is, full of notions.
With her big box.
Yeah, I mean Buscamore.
I mean, being red the grad being self-conscious being muxa, so it's fair. It's fair enough.
At least we Buscatoidia.
Yeah, let the heart.
And stop Hugh. Stop that.
You know someone leave grow to non jealous give though.
I mean, High let rather be a Yarush dahan, I'd say.
Just how there's just the character I guess like at the end of the end. At the worst.
Oh, bugger right.
Go Mo Leshka. But yeah,
picture though, the what to brand new she's exactly to gel. You must have Caidé.
Jiggles raw. He got definitely. How can I definitely show you the lads? Come on, need to dear if when you call it.
No, the lads are in tell away. Should have done away. Need to tell all the lads. But no, see anything Virginia or and Lena Gloss Luas, which is like the the outsider Luas, because like change I think the Áine, even if you in the Áine and Tushka the test ice like like gentry, like Fibsborough, where all the cool kids hang at Smithfield, an actual token agus an vegan sandwich company exam machine or whatever, and then she had Dundrum and all these Slorgan is like nasty Jashin. So she flag growing Luas go fancy. They're much in Canala or Lena Yarg. It would have been like I hate crime would have happened probably, but like be Virginia carrier.
I don't know. We might just for Sweetie. We said Sweeney shoes like on J1 it's a bear to shoot these. You might like oh, it's ass like that. You're only doing a bear. We said they're all for free like.
Take them to J2 got it's Cronim earn train in Chicago. Kind of quivny jassa, Should tain Tom go meha Latin on J1 like not and trek bug higgin over,
See we tracked that like car chuig bumacha ogamsa agus bheith arm sa bheith like a seachtainiúil margin. So it was grim. But you wrote to go burn like Bielan, no, okay, that's wrote to go burn.
Yeah, we a bar restaurant, Chief O'Neill's.
Into bread and bread in the now.
Yeah, I know. Well, back brunch it also a J. Agus bhecar an invention ag a seachtar margin leis an prep le so when you and we and he like Joe's on Weed Street. Veckerm dollar or bloody train and our margin. So
come on, let's go. Weed Street.
Yeah, Joe's on Weed Street. Not hitting the J1 is a Lake of Chicago.
Tantangmatar and Shred. No Weed Street.
Yeah, but Neil Lane would like Ashton or shit. It's not like a load of drug dealers are in charge nor would it be.
On Weed Street.
Yeah, it's just but if you think about it, Neil Lane cheats and really weeder.
I don't know. We were in California because we should.
Yeah, but they should live in the stoners in California.
This is true.
Well, in fairness, in California, it's not all delivered 8 to horrors.
Yeah, like just eat. Bhí sé crazy.
Tá go James.
Literally.
Tá iomsa. How did you pass it?
Literally, is app on custard just eat though.
Condone.
Well, I mean, we touch like a whole bunch of how so Jenny
illegal.
Yeah. And there's near walk my shoot get big dog because you few all them but we shot a traffic and chat hig na lads no James never
sorry the bim or him
ever no. That doesn't process the a land with the a rare phodchraoladh shot.
That's an actually stop and say.
Whoa. You paid your lump.
Oh
my God.
Hugh, Caidé mar tatúsa.
More tatúsa?
Oh. Caidé mar tatú.
Dimmer a tattoo?
Hey.
My. Well, I mean, especially if you so obviously to rud over a Harley to Iron Chair Shocking, but football will give a preamble or those. The Chair Shocking into my clear pal, when on the wall hig doing the now, Hanik my child omlan, Hanik my the cannery because the moonshire fod it costs Regia. Shout out special G and Cat Chancellor honor Leonie Worku Wilma Swisley Swala have you brave section or in loon sorry
as a vicar selfies dolaba in our
kind
chat.
Of
okay not dolaba but like
oh yeah no be like middle fingers with the
yeah
you know yeah no the so
not that explicit
yeah beefnish they're Na Seansálaithe agus Leah so bro arm fishin agus but there vi maswala the arm hishpant running at the Mahaila because earn sehern for me mohed tattoo.
Baby's first tat.
I'm telling you, I'm hitting my rebellious phase nish agus me fi chuig.
When I was a young boy
in my mid-20s. Yeah, from my cat tattoo. We should inta jazz. We must meet you if I tumble. We might actually namse AL or we namse flay less than much and why any ye Gerheimaging Ike all war an alive the arm and bus like a neologger margin. So when my shot tree or called to gone in like kind of in the terrain what things like and failing show you and we shut on please I'm tender herma tatú and that's why man that cult tattoos in Monaco KVLT that's the carry shot wall a land much courage yet agus herma J Gary L is herma the arm like font around who's with the mission agus ranima agus camsa hanger be like real red flag behavior but like it's already dances with their all wall ranima and font Kierna is a and cover the album Blonde that Frank Ocean like and font Kierna or an actual
song V song girl Frank Ocean somehow connected
yeah and then I try to Kaisha in a handle road in Yanum Tasha a handle agus this Tasha size Corp gamble well no we saw and Rodney McGarry L was from a phrase at Uster Glen in the area you now agus did now Goldman not Creasha agus Keelinchen like Barog not like Cuddles not like Iskralamu whatever agus Uster Gabenik Chasogin run the forest there's Chila so we like yeah she can McGarry so I'm a shot featured really jazz featured really if you're able to call a shot like in much courage Macar as far as Nosca agus yeah clash like quick jig woman agus so yeah quick jig woman nish as in like the arm got a shaggy doig then being banned like mall Jack woman then Kershi cash arm cane like steel exam like the Jab new JV McGarry the arm like Ahru Boogie Yanu and then she's like oh yeah Glock like check woman then had a rashagum so yeah Hashimajig like Lehanye Doig creaking like Karakaji so yeah quick check woman
well kai to a hashband the winner be in a garter Arkan Vishan so bug doing jazz smile man
Yeah, the seans go mé se reversed in a sure fish.
No, Neil. Well, Neil Dúne.
Anyway.
Is mail an ratches because Vini Moami more do actually just couple of shackman grow. So to she sort of Irish twinicky na holak. Beidir up me jeg ni sinna agus
Oh wow.
tá si dangar amar big moon she'd look at an ngal agus sin you know just the birthday or out in the town out in the chair like birthday like up the chuig up the sé agus they're cheat ni hogan she'd real bar the chéile ach there she'd ras an the chéile just turn she'd Crisha harha Crisha wire agus sné agus they're cheat go mohin she an gralig sarvacha sin as na dogan she'd real yeah ni bar ach just na focal it's got dogan chen mohu gradi so it's for jase.
It's not glotch, oh my god.
Oh yeah.
I know, you my girl on specialty.
I'm a Vini mother Dini Javi my Gariel. Because obviously you know, I was telling the whole world so VR may anyway because it was like, oh fuck, like I am actually follow through la Shanish. Because we all glarm like our margin, like beim on kid, like we I was like shitting bricks, like our margin just her few my like fecker will actually Gary Shaw yeah. I guess the end of the month the ancient like oh no actually not so yeah go home on the Gary Shaw after my venue that they even like oh yeah Gary Crisha or Lev Shaw I guess into Flanagan file Mahashki or and Elenella not my treasure I think be Saku and Retchishin I guess I had dirt my thing you should like oh like thing you know per thingy secondary thing like courage like could be thing be like we need them the Mahala like because we obviously the alarm like the child you know so I think we're your hugma and warning beef we should get the book nice fair but then your inchma beef groma on the Allen lesson so how Swiss scale agus hanimach gur waka like much call keffer in scale is hanimach gur waka me yarfer in scale agus this is swala as London feel her so I'm like okay better chance gur hishman finola da mahala agus do my dart like I you know they've got the shock already so I comes to just follow Hugh like so he must ask the car agus he were like oh so honey to scale agus yeah near hishman ma da wami no daddy that's not my battle I think I've run the dirt sheet Dale Shaw so he'll my shot anyway because we were like oh like the what think guy my hashband for these like they're the dirt might be on the yanu like couple of shopping on as we want me like oh tatoo I guess like Karmashi small whatever I guess we should actually like ask Nita jazz or we should into tackle there's chance like they must have feel her chance which is like Jade Sonia yanu but I think girl should say that grosha because Tasha bug agus Tasha net like her fedulum like Ganzi you know like Lenya you know that homage ma etching art like Bela you know fancy or whatever or like you know like a knowledge or whatever like Iglame so this was you know
during she to go the fans that they clued or loud one
yeah oh yeah Lane they're my lot of go honey and cat canal file moja knuckles because just my anime in the file because let your Higlam file Hugh car so Higlam just say let your ma
Hocklat mouse and Tudor dog my Hocklat Frank Ocean Isle
oh my god no need Phaedra was it F-R-A-N-K
O-C-A-N
oh start Thig yeah but then they are like Filmer shin
if a genity were the ashkel and law and her fad me to go
okay yeah it can you and scan it genuine
see if I could been under the lake
and Rodumlan
as a teen
do you know what ní ro agus sin rud occur an méid smó intasarm bhí si dínta like na sílam go churn siad like uachtar an ruí ar like could be asked to file like le and níos fosa agus like no fiarí mo Ellen a sheval because the like right so we are laser father or Ellen like there's the patch bug and scan Greg and then Malau like but the Hershey like actor agus sin the arm leashes or board agus or like she kind of like you know Kyer / board or whatever agus the arm leashes agus Malau kind of crahu hartif agus sin just hashishi agus like and rather wohi shakasla na Sally that were to Fish all like and like metaphor is massa. Sorry the word to vibrator because hurt to like thumbtack, but good I get carried off.
Do you know what? Should actually Hershey sort cringe.
Not well.
Yeah.
Not well because ní wohin sha nevnya. It's just like an
Ní wor tú a ceann chuig bommate je cumai.
Yes.
Well, iné láthor bín sé nevna.
Sinna rud bhí mábta wohu I géirí nevnya. Gajin Jared, which in the fagros like we should Mariagros at the Linus Shach and like and the examined and rod.
Well, need just vibrator hard to charm, so need fucking clue on convention off me like.
James ní caiite break against your
yeah.
Tá
tú under to be a hundred della, so you know.
I just want doing
Tash bandune.
It's gonna be dirty.
You're on my kid.
Yeah,
he may. I wrote down a good.
Dirty. We actually get cool toothkis fucking customer toothkis. You know that hat
cool. But yeah, ní rois really livne ar Harpy agus an sin bhearman klein film chur hart malá agus you know é gláú má a han couple uair scaimisiní enú na slahai le seachtainí le siúm agus an sin is
ní hé glat dolas now.
Négam dolas now, which is really annoying because we never must wala her kilometer carja mial okasi her attacked her going to be like, oh Ramage Moss now, and I was like, oh yeah, oh wait, hold on,
my cat.
Hold on a second. So just where my not paddle but where my just shadow much casa but initially where my like in the logs in the so we shall like shocky we are so we the actually in must now but yeah no there's actually character art I guess fine canala nish gone out to be like malling darrow take a look at saying you that one
that tree
yeah
I'm way
here, yeah. Take me off the roster. What?
Yeah, it's for she can lum. We start midlife crisis she lum.
Oh, fair.
Hope she may hain as my her sta agus for my count or marista. So Tasha egg Laura Whitmore come on, shouldn't get out to walk me but Quimesh as the McGee Candiration agus for my wam just on treble clef.
Okay.
Bala hella heart agus fi me gira cockjeg so you know tahi éagsúil tatú ala the wam you know but then ac ein canella for mo hin she's like the should wadra word ta ro holier ni mile me so I'm like Edna Jency stinchen ni let's come gajewel to get job
take happen to Sim Grower though
leave me on the roster bro.
He's fresh as a daisy.
Tattoo version.
Pure untouched
and we can though James like I'm out to speech working.
Yeah, I think so.
Fishagurian can mar an Emilina the clans again. Not Lucia.
Oh yes, Luis Tushin.
Yeah, was a massive though like version.
Yeah, well.
As my fucking bound the shave I love Hugh. You all get action I'm fucking love.
Bell lawnmower raku.
Yeah, fucking
hedge trimmer.
We should be hard.
I need more Harrison really, but like an act like Hugh to my fucking werewolf. Like.
Look, definitely Rodigan electronic dear who.
Yeah, just the razor more let do a Yanni more scar.
Yeah, and he sound like a car seems like really Shasamachum. Hold on.
Yeah. And lad to quite much less Cormac Caster agus me like Elise Eastern Tableau like and we'll to smeet you like full tattoo agus Dirksha a Gurk arms of Falcon we shall like actually better go yoinkin because I think so better you know what James was Gary chart lum when you part 2 done tattoo shot I got our arms
but this is for because that's the gloat like was that Kristach agus Mahashki I didn't be just for some Glasgow people walk.
She definitely mata James Ogunihawan like my our trip parlar agus James Altaglor definitely yoish I can.
Oh, gone out to me. Yeah. I was just raw bug. Just
oh actually cute.
Yeah. Because he's a ride, obviously.
Oh, Roja, like
yeah.
Let me see. Yeah, okay.
Sorry, come let's go, James. Bicycle.
Bicycle.
Oh,
yeah. Yeah.
Bring my jarmas fi gaile Connemara go gaiith tú
probably definitely like the anim, like as in D''AINM Mahoon like sin bach an rá á the anim Mahoon.
sé fu mat daimar ar mún hiic
Ring sin cúpla cúpla seachta nach an ná leor saora í me sté Bob agus bhí bairóid duna chiid dus me you know what I'm going to funny in the niche chat up line like so rud dús me fu an bairó I scríb me your name my love my left hand so like literally just
your name.
So I just come so balance this man to get a magic trick yeah it's just not okay so we piece of book pauper and love it's just my kid do the what man on do anim skief at a piece book pauper shop like me has man to do it's new anim that other it's my oh okay this yeah sound okay so scrunch my piece pauper I just ha my naira agus just like my kind of system like I should this man oh yeah I got a tear go the Luas and then come like my love tear come on my right hand to who's like like need a piece of pop around oh sorry oh no sorry yeah should I want some magic trick but the anim skifte my love Jay so my love simple Luas ever just come on just this come on a lot my love my just your name she's because she got it
smooth
yeah we should come on now in fairness yeah still nothing
should have catch that I was like should gas or double shit
oh god
I need some I think that you're like as in like me yeah my camera scrum hilarious so mission what god in these movie shit so yeah pinche go my get didn't he's all like urbanism or I just get a god
yeah to actually quite to ban chart or this is Gary Jenny joke done
I think it just 80-20 go 80% we might get a joke in like 20% we might get
50 like haha unless
but yeah I think a good smooth joke just go cup shot of it now so
Tatú cócos le barnístan san uanta. Scéidir al bet tú tarint na scarf na sin más do winkile.
Jerry la Barney since na nuair that was sin different
like I think we should skifte am Tinder profile piece of growing up is finally figuring out you're not Barney Stinson you are Ted Mosby. It was an over Barney though I think it was the Hulna shop room like a poster of a wall that took Barney Stinson in humor I guess I just wrong whatever you do in life it's not legendary unless you have your friends there to witness it.
Galante. Aru moshe logo galante.
Just right didn't stuff tattooed them though so
yeah no bell yeah vision cost a
just fine suit up
yeah
suit up
yeah
and if you my car making suits like
well kind to the chuig gear frinne bheith immert that's a form of a suit
that's a form of a suit
that's a stretch on that's a gear
but they know like it's collie AD you know and a suit is collie so
Ta James gonna L crest the carua or crease again that's gonna be
that's real Nessa from Gavin and Stacey not me
LeVay got like crest like
a violent crest
I think betting gone to James that wrote the gation
nah
that would be your
Hugh an méid do dara tattoo agat sul bheith mu tú ag electric picnic sul bheith in ahandanna hu ag electric
no I think they might lectric near electric picnic because we like so they're getting couple shafting like he cookish you know it's creeping up boys so like Vil arm AL basically and Jerry shafting shaw on the like in the Asian like leve like a homeland like you know creeping or like healed up or whatever sort of in rod so I think we'll just fag my like couple and I'm done there at this be shogum and I'm there at this aklai EP no she didn't give me ni ve a tattoo away nigum earn draw her
yeah it's like that comes cream go gama to anim skif and law not your name
Caidé ni ve trick come on man sang like she shouldn't have that was your first mistake Caidé a new mass in the gale in the
Yeah.
engine.
Yeah, check in an in mail shitty. They didn't eat any gaudy film shitty. Since the maze get out the side, Shaq Pinterest from Shaq Street notice.
There's like
Pinta slap who just nevation the gaudies, which like, oh my god, me too funny.
Oh my god,
okay.
Oh my god, and freakishness and freakishness and phodchraoladh. Oh my god. Ro just a can't be tender bios. Ro tender what's that in you?
Tá sé gon simple ceart le chum ná fanne seo.
Oh no.
San ar bhfuil mé le Cillian like níach mention é chunne cúpla lá sin so chroí bheith chuntas Tinder le hiíachtaí anú matcha leis because I was like right caig bhfuil sé in the vicinity but níor bhábta aim sin é cúpla lá apparently scurs sé chuntas saige sin a ní gur bhfuil sé lom.
Oh my god.
So we made swipe. I was like, call a lad show like, god damn it, come through that lad and call you. You're actually me.
Ring through Jay.
We must swipe out through that and buckle as near I'm me, but yeah.
I actually go 14.
Yeah, that's a bit too. Yeah.
Coming from Mr. Who writes letters, Gomalesh.
Oh look.
Urwen, Rinshaw, please.
Kid of was tapping in for Tinder behang, huh?
Yeah, exactly. He's old school.
Yeah, shoot your shot, my dear, lost the barrel.
So Neil to wear Hinge, no?
Oh yeah, to just go to the Keens near short suits. Well, toss out the Keens.
You make another beer.
Abermacha.
No.
Áine Abermacha.
No, you're on my gully rap.
Jerry Misha, one of the things.
Hugh.
Machal James la Caidé Áine couple of shopping on. Agus Italian shop, is sex symbol, Shaw and Deliat na tatú stí Sean Jackrap na tú in Cair Costa Galibh agus is Harry is seal Gaelic na tatú Costa sin is celebrity character James Spug he's in
oh yeah Hugh to kick mushrooms in that doesn't fear match wants some lean the annual match just so happened to go to good card so yeah
Ro like go on and you took the country mission tainted as Turgan Nahro kun rudder be ransion. It's a virtue of share brew and shit.
Spinal six James at Potter that's
the
and cash vi go bit ogum and your free Tinder bio is not what coming to J v Tinder bio v yogurt like J
looking for Cillian.
Looking for a boy from West Clare. No, I'd say you're just it was basic. Not Rodini just cur like Éist saku as in Kunde Grasto, that kind of a thing. Ni Roche Co
or the height.
Like Tasha took vi jargum will Hinge ad nis Tasha tanis mo humor because like Tugandini gets bug nis mo for who hain no we'll make archnera.
Yeah. So
Kajeta our document James.
Oh friggin' this cool man shot.
Oh right, well a god Roger
it's called Kajeta our document Hugh.
Or our good shot Nishbe dingy Nishbe the Kershis and locations do Hennigus James with jam shoe or Hinge or Tinder that could be road.
Yeah, feel free to swipe.
Yeah, feel free to swipe. Jenny Misha I'll be army Kinshaw who actually give a couple of shocking. So that two truths and a lie or Shaw, right? Okay, Áine. Just put out try my Jenny Kershis or my Hinge profile agus darotis more van in this Latin.
Is van me?
Latin though, like like that mono like bullcar would you be like yeah and Lachin Mon and all.
Tell Hugh read it more.
That's all right.
We spent hours perfecting it. It's fine.
So I don't know what I so the voice of them it's my best celebrity impression. It was from a for TikTok, but it was like
her t-shirt Twitter now her.
Yeah, Kermit. Yeah, more Ryan Gosling. Which I thought was funny. No one else has so far.
10 out of 10.
Sin two truths and a lie ogum. Agus be arm shot Ahruna gin couple shocking because and brothers I was a guest in the By and Bloy podcast. I performed at Electric Picnic and I've done acting classes with Saoirse Ronan Hugh. So be arm kin Ahruna.
Thank you.
Bear Mahru, I performed electric picnics to Generation. If you miss your podcast Blind Boy, man in Dunal, couple of years.
What?
Yeah, but crazy.
Came dói.
Oh, really weird. Basically, Hershey Caster arm agus Visha like ban ella Hershey Caster, but and like topic of Visha con Lorfley, Neuroshig a Gary Flay la like Slua like all war like rowdy or whatever because it was like slightly sense or whatever. So Visha like there's an animal Hanix to us, so I guess what does a there's a gender shot.
A Roche bio can bio in statue.
Yeah, be slow on.
Look at you go.
I'm telling you.
Jeez, show some Arachne go nerd.
Yeah, exactly. Shaw like Pianti on. A life goal of mine is to win a late show call-in competition. Agus the best way to ask me out is by asking a Gaelic and flag book Erna.
See, Higlumsa Vek mass ogum search and mealager Gael gourmet, but
yeah.
I can see like Ryan Dini, they'll just go away from that because they're like hippy dippy Gael gore nerd, Marjorie Rory Martai Gory Egan air
or brat
Sega.
Yeah.
Do you know Ryan Dini is bralo and then in the Gaelic and something Ryan Dini they're like, oh no.
Yeah.
Do you know? As need to Gary Dini Marshankoe.
No. They don't deserve me.
No.
No, it's quite much of it. How much like did it like father law.
Father back in
like,
my head.
Like what should intimidated to go Gael games today. So like look, ni fucking Nazi man. Like don't relax. Like
basically right ni Shaw screw the bell. Ni guy to
yeah.
Kajerta or Duckian James?
Oh, the Muchan is Muchan now. It's Nisha Malak Hugh. Right, the Muchan actually kind of shit. No one.
Bigger character match on Le Hugh.
Oh my god, yeah.
But I think joint accounting.
Electric picnic. Oh my god, Jenny.
Two is better than one.
Yeah, dream team.
Typical Sunday, all in a flat white.
Oh, go on the flat white.
Playing cure. And then love language, Gaeilge, obviously. You know. Agus a shower thought I recently had. There's more planes in the ocean than submarines in the sky. Plain to see.
Come on, we shouldn't mind Andy. Come on, Navi, don't give him that.
Come on.
And
fairness, like
I know, I like a cheesy dad joke.
FM likes Gaeilge. When Calvus Moo FM likes home when picture down romhainn wobble.
It's picture down.
Agus V exactly could be man.
Pulling on those heartstrings.
In fishing rod munching, we might gears get off, you might like, ooh, reel it in.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Can I just done here to Haltonish for Profield and Yannick Shiv Can Nakela? Better together. Like
dream team.
But they get off sure we shake it off for the Greenie Egg Electric Picnic.
Yeah, Thomas good service off.
Over Jonah, you know the image again.
Rang the Achliachta, agus Markiachta.
Lig files a fobble show.
Carpet has. Stop. Oh my god.
Iglum just to search my leaflets like Didi like oh show not to much Irish journey like the cat in the show.
The cat in the show.
No, just 10 to main is Hugh gonna
they schoon you.
Like down the arrows gonna on just 10 changes.
Balu incense chart the maha sugas.
I got it. Be barcoded.
Revolut.
They Michael Bublé just a Casu and speakers.
In these crazy times, it's you. Well, honey, what you shot?
What the fuck shot you?
Stop. Right.
Line up.
Because it's a circus.
Form an orderly queue.
Time afterwards.
Famous Costa Circus paid with clowns at the Bimbo He's like electric picnic. Oh my god. Well, it can't be electric picnic because Marialker so the graduate woman actually kind of a Glock Parchum. Line up Richard killed announcement all war and line up Umlan dá EP in sin seachtainí na be ar bedroom seachtainí Virginia sin. So tá chuna argad bháiltaí a dhéanamh siúm dá na muir na daoine gapan muid go caiithú aiceil ach man bhis le an cean na linne obviously sin rud státaí cé bhhaachtas aine a bhfuil sam go aiceil.
Choní mé Arctic Monkeys hana ag lá Luas Chicago agus bhhin iad sin bhí just bop ionta ó ar an státe. Sí tá se nar tá dul féid ceol bhí me gídal na daine bheith ceol ar dearfa bapi oku, like is spralam Snow Patrol a just mo him hain go me queenu me him ma éistem leis an set omlan. Beidir graim me fan you're an go ac Arctic Monkeys as quite leis an sílum go mé Tame Impala anwai.
Yeah. Hánig me clipstá ag senim ag zigid sin chatting feart agus Dirk se deadly.
Yeah.
Deadly.
Tag leor like banny airnacha cumaiam líana like níl an éiri sin cinad idirnáisiúnta le blianta eile, but ag nám cin like tag leor stuff mai airnach like ta Fontaines DC go le bheith an. Shama hot take, right? Okay. Right, go on.
Ní mailam Fontaines DC.
Le bhíarna níl go leor de ceolsa acu clostí agam ach tascam daoine is a spraloid.
Yeah, no, it's like the indie darlings, whatever. It's like ní mailam miad or Harvey.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, she'd get to book like make character a bit of an Arcade Fire vibe.
No. So this is like I guess it gotta be me cat Arcade Fire. How dare you?
The me my Arcade Fire teen.
Yeah.
Yep.
No, and Rodata Law is good nyanin shit like and Rodson where it's like Dublin is my city, like Emmet or was like and this blah blah blah. But like they're all private schooled. So like Niall actually, it's just like this Virginia boy that clear like hard lads, this is the dirty, dingy, whatever. I guess like either fad like like Southsider like D4 Dollies, like
Yeah.
I just the tunes near my mental fuhu.
Bear Taiji and his chat the rash go fishin. Turmish Bahatik ditch and talking.
Yes. Deadly. Careful to James cable to Sula La Faca like EP.
Well, like obviously can't wait about Tussie Queen and Áine against Dermot Kennedy, like.
Oh yeah. Emotional.
Sin just like them actually tear us who's Hanning.
And Waki Shiv Shahana Niaki Mishu Bio Hana as Moin. Okay. So Nimalum Hain. As Yakimin and Crone as Rio Hana.
No hostas a fashion the casa Rome who's their starcher. Done the waterworks got to give up.
Jane what this grammar though is like a homeland emotional whiplash more to Megan the Stallion Jira Rivet.
Oh so yeah.
Hamisha Sula Megan the Stallion. Okay, Megisha lyricy second chacha. Does she love her? Like you're
they fucking got to look at you.
But an urchin or an Moraki go made Bopin to hugging and I'd say.
Yeah. Like, oh, bacon shit.
I've been making the Stallion means hacker or some record.
Yeah.
Yeah, agus wap.
But my hand is huge, twerkles normal.
Oh yeah. Sure, we aren't got Swiss and statue, James. Sure, now walk it to long as you grow like a airnock like a got Swiss and statue the twerkle like.
What?
Yeah. Yeah, we aren't got Swiss.
The Becky Hill on. So couple bopping.
Yeah. Ní Roscom gur ishe can an Erich Noran godi Guacmer Love Island. I was like, oh, it's actually law Noran Kalu.
The glory EDM's a kid.
Yeah.
Really go
Be Anne Marie and Kamai.
Glass
Animals, Bay Sheets and Onway.
Heat Wave, John Leon the Nora.
Yeah.
What we get the country fix, my fake Lisa McHugh.
Lisa McHugh, hey.
Lisa McHugh, so then
yeah, I think you said it shouldn't be.
Denise Chila Gullivan as an orange necky le Ed Sheeran.
What's she deadly?
Did it actually? Obviously, kneecap.
Obviously, or something like.
Obviously, you shouldn't.
Connie may electric picnic hana eat. We should term this tent. Agus we should just eat of your flares a hanach. We squad all over and go crimson. Pass a gut go me on why gut.
Yeah. So I shouldn't. Obviously, if the hand probably puts my kneecap face on, like, then it really soon, right? Moncrief.
Oh yeah, the Shasha class,
unbelievable.
Class.
Or on New Kitchen, warm. Oh man, na háise sin amach na I think actually na Taurus ó gáil cearú it just could an orange in that repeat in love leis agus tá bhí sin bhí sé a Tomatíirn show agus chaiste leis an RTE orchestra band as bhí se
Tascom great tatú country.
Definitely Moncrief.
Yeah.
And well, it's a good Saint sister. Now, she'll really
Yes.
like,
No,
she done
that's
right.
deadly.
Ni like you'll go back. I don't know. A hand in a geisha lesh. Ta she kind of nice muile agus an shave, but it ta she seems to go she eat up. We make geisha lo a lan or Hinge glass so. John, what ta geri kind of muile she see anyway. Gamer be here Hinge seachtainí like an gig shin jazz, you know.
Hugh.
See, is bralam sa fecin a hanol so be me sé.
Yeah, like chulhúna bhí mit rá, like na dí Eagrán, you're clue amsa you know see all you mugad a bhí a chulna bhí mit rá, so like
See, Sean Rod, Aishim la a hanol so na bhí rare like smile up like what they like boppy because you know like you know jarfa whatever. I'm like no I like dirty
Like
like,
they definitely a King Kong company ag dóchlog mar.
Oh, Caitlan Gay.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Agus na drummy mór exanod. So na daoine a bháling sa go mór le feicáil ag EP. Tá marí sú mór le feicáil Pixies cos bhí má mór rock nerd but ní sóige agus sé Where's My Mind cin leor níos fearlam. Cin tá actually Boppy agus bheith dearfa na Rina Sawayama atá go bheith seanim cin le hinnta she kind of like British pop star whatever the doc ratcha mai. Na daoine like the thing you say is crackles with the Magari Echo. Now actor father there and that Harry and the Mutcher rap Kojak, Abby Kulabelli, Babe Malachi, sorry, Beshash class, because Shinta told McKay Foster.
Yeah, that's Intak.
Reggie Snow about Gahinta, JPEG Mafia, Hanikma A, Neil Shas Aaron, but Hanikma A, like just Gira Riven Jean Glossop, which like the gigs journalist, Solar Jean Glossop, just mental rapper at like Doc Ratchet, Little Sims Foster, Band Doc Ratchet My. For those I love, the albums as far as them one shot an album as far as them Blian Imliana. There's an album that I'm hearing the it's kind of like dancey stuff or whatever. See Shaw Road to just Gary a little piece of y'all effect out.
And I can do good Willow an liste seo.
Yeah.
Willow Smith.
Shane,
and maybe when
yeah.
it flushdal caught a vibe because
Yeah. No, babe to like as in
Is it actually on?
Nearly Tainer now when she needs ear during liste.
Well like ní lecha hart it euro.
Yeah, Willow Smith done
she whips her hair back and forth.
Yeah.
James.
Oh, Sauli McConaughey.
Imagine má hain si sús ar státe pob na Vegas má slap on si ma.
Connie Áine ma ahar that's the fucking bell.
Can't fucking let you anyways.
Na be gas in score mo Willog. Baniella the scratch unbelievable. It's like Kildal like acoustic metal band Bedgerson Darwan lay the venue like Tesha just crackle like Bia
We've got to just a ganim new ahand in our nista shuff with
Sean Rudd is go and Charlotte and Aaron feel like Tesha unreal agus so ten mage acts I think where it's gangs of youth fast or gang of youths fast come Banachal as an Austral it's like rock band whatever
Well Misha character rock or be Eve and Eve Kana o Gunningal on Alcara
Ní ceapan nó sin Eve Bell sin an animus
yes
sin time na seans mai go mééis si ag an failure in us but
Heal mission because she grahashi on Hannah
yes class but yeah Taiwan Hall my
yeah agus an land stuff my land phodchraoladh my comedians my hair
not just my chain
cooking demonstrations yeah so Dylan Moran is David O'Doherty Jason Byrne Killian Sunderman Neil Delamere like tá Landini of a on Granner Dullige
James Honeywood Dylan Moran Honeywood J
oh yes Kincha
you know his fans would you know from the tickety lay echo agus you know the amber dói again
and Shiv Shadini now vekastí Casa Bacardi géisiach leis an techno trum
no
like Boots and Cats stíhann sin ag Buffalo
Brancha like Brancha ar céit má lá agus Brancha ar céin sais áran cos chuime Hig Rave in the Woods urhain agus sin like and like all night techno rave like chuime sin like a tríal ogramage ní hín chart agus bhí sin gros an ihí gar an féile.
Sin difriú sin difriú. Bhain sin is ag tríal ogramage ar an ihí deile.
Yeah.
Bá seachan ag fucking ochloch tunúna like.
Which gal, but there's an no reason like, but
There's the queen in it. There's the fucking queen it. Like Jeremy Kennedy, okay?
Agus ní bheith anything chun mé stopú.
Ní. Agus ag Snow Patrol sin, there's still the queen in
it. Light up.
Si sin a rud ní because ní bhí me dhéanú ach Gary like an ceol agus an the fecha like flag me se an campsite ag like a dá ag a log agus ní tuí mé rás go dtí cear logarmágin chuig logarmágin like could be a stopping and ceol sin Thomas stopping me
Ní pit stop jólarta le dulrás you know canna fiocchi sister you're just like you're good to go with lá
non-stop agus ní fiú cos bhí me gobar an ceidir chuime agent le gobar Jonach so then if you are much costing leir fád but now I can just vibe away and tamar fád so I bet even you smó funne fogum an tam shot so be much crack at it be much absolutely crack at it yeah
it's new more isn't it
yeah to my súil leis
be argan and the festival fits around u fasta
yeah higla dí vesúile ridigan specialte very much in tá smuin sé Hugh intro mo ditchin phodchraoladh James
bhí cin gas agam
but it's a surprise.
It's a surprise. I mean, if I follow through with it, back different. Lads, she didn't go sin, hey? She didn't go, you know, go much mar Jether, shin. Which I think Jeru and Claire Shaw done Eagrán Chogram. Let's go. Gur míle maigins of the vacation recent Seachtainí. Mat scaring which I'm sure in the man hosted again or Twitter Éist Na Seachtainí or Instagram Éist Na Seachtainí. He got much file or YouTube Éist Na Seachtainí if I can argue any gauntlet. Nar séhil me gur chasálainne samna. Tá mat gar Áine amsú na man hosta te mór anywhere ar Instagram, anywhere ar Twitter agus anywhere ar TikTok, but gar James a amsú na man hosta te mór Harvard má anywhere reach, but gar James just aanlinge dinge aan free Jaine sin is our PR. But the Gary James at Amsterdam man hosted that more flaharta or Instagram flaharta or Twitter agus flaharta or TikTok agus with the Gary Mahain Amsterdam more Hugh Carr here Twitter Hugh Carr here or Instagram agus just bra Hugh Carr or TikTok. Well Gabi ag them to flog anish solar flagamich la la galanta cayunish or lean show.
Sin go láhanú ráte
You sing the best when you sing up the middle. Oh, Charlotte, that actually, I'm seeing too much your Hinge nor Tinder. Cur chat hugging exaber worked with Joan phodchraoladh.
As good should be Gary mar chud den duo or búdlis an duo ag electric picnic. It's a fubble.
It's a fubble Jarek. Anyway.
Spicy.
On Fail Galley, it's coming back. Right. Slán folks, it's funny salt as a Jerry Shark, the Gucci and Cat, Eagrán Na Seansálaithe. Slán glug.